This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. NSE has introduced trading in derivatives segment with 9 more additional stocks with effective from December series. Please find the below the stock list. We will briefly discuss on fundamental analysis of a few of these 9 stocks. Aditya Birla Capital Limited, Balrampur Chini Mills Limited, Gujarat Namda Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited, Hindustan Copper Limited, Honeywell Automation India Limited, IDFC Limited, NBCC India Limited, Rain Industries Limited, TATA Communications Limited. Aditya Birla Capital Limited is the holding company of all the financial services business of the Aditya Birla Group. Subsidiaries and joint ventures, it manages aggregate assets worth more than 3,000 billion and has a lending book of 601 billion as of December 31st, 2019. ABCL is among the top 5 private diversified NBFCs in India. It is also one of the largest private life insurance companies, asset management companies and general insurance brokers in the country. Stock price is in uptrend after adding the stock to futures and options. As on January 1st to 22, market price is 130 rupees. Yearly low and high prices are 79 rupees and 139 rupees. Target price is 200 rupees in 6 months. Balrampur Chini Mills Limited was incorporated in the year 1975. It is the second largest integrated sugars manufacturing company in India. It has a total of 10 sugar factories and having an aggregate crushing capacity of 76,500 tons of cane per day. Stock price is in uptrend after adding this stock to futures and options. As on 3rd Jan 22, market price is 374 rupees. Yearly low and high price are 156 rupees and 398 rupees. EPS is 20 rupees. PE ratio is 18 times. BCML is the most efficient sugar company with sustainable earnings and strong cash flow generation. It has been giving about 40% payout through dividends and buybacks. The company would continue to generate strong cash flows. Target price is 400 rupees in 6 months. IDFC Limited is the holding company of IDFC First Bank and IDFC CAMC. IDFC Limited holds 36% 6% stock in IDFC First Bank and 100% stake in IDFC AMC. Now, the board of IDFC First Bank has given in principle approval to reverse merge with IDFC Limited. Before the reverse merger, IDFC AMC may be sold out to a third party. Stock price is in uptrend after the reverse merger news. As on Jan 3rd, 22, market price is 64 rupees. Yearly loan price are 37 rupees and 65 paise. Intrinsic value of IDFC share is 80 rupees to 85 rupees. TATA Communications Limited. Erstwhile PSU VSNL was privatized in 2002. After privatization, it is known as TATA Communications Limited. Presently, the company is part of the Tata Group. Tata Communications network spans more than 5 lakhs kilometers of subsea fiber and more than 2 lakhs 10,000 kilometers of terrestrial fiber. Tata Communications is the leading global digital ecosystem enabler. It provides its clientele with state-of-the-art solutions, including a wide range of communication, collaboration, cloud, mobility, connected solutions, network and data center services. Stock price is in uptrend after adding this stock to future and options. As on 3rd Jan 22, market price is 1446 rupees. Yearly low and high price are 930 rupees and 1540 rupees. Target price is 2000 rupees in 1 year.
subscribe our channel, give a like, leave a comment, share